Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is resolution, the smallest detail a microscope can show you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what resolution means, why it's different from magnification, and why electron microscopes can show structures that light microscopes simply cannot. Resolution is the minimum distance between 2 points that can still be distinguished as separate. If two structures are closer than the resolution, they blur into one. Resolution is limited by the wavelength of the radiation used to illuminate the specimen. Shorter wavelength means higher resolution and finer detail. 3 things. 1. Light microscopes have a resolution of around 200 nanometers. 2. Electron microscopes go as low as 0.2 nanometers, 1,000 times better. And 3. The electron microscope wins because electrons have much shorter wavelengths than visible light. Higher resolution lets you see smaller things in genuine detail. Common slip. Don't confuse resolution with magnification. Magnification makes things appear bigger. Resolution decides what you see as sharp or just a magnified blur. A useful microscope needs both. High magnification with low resolution just gives you a giant smudge. Quick example. 2 viruses sitting 100 nanometers apart. Under an electron microscope with 0.2 nanometers resolution, they appear as 2 clearly separate viruses. Under a light microscope with 200 nanometers resolution, they merge into a single blur. Same viruses, different stories. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher Revision Planner ready to download, plus the Mastery Workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.